it's Melon, and today we are going to... Huh? Who are you?
I am Melon Universe.
Well, you're ruining my video. I'm making a video. Wait. What? You sound different. What do you mean? He's first here. No, I saw him yesterday when you were skydiving.
What the heck are you? I am Melon.
Wait, did we switch voices?
Come right back. Well, that was weird.
Yes, it was. And what the heck just happened?
I am Melon Universe.
And why are you here?
I am recording a video. You're destroying it.
I have nothing to say.
What do you mean you have nothing to say?
Say something. I have nothing to say. Okay, just get out. Creator Miney, get him out.
Wait, don't stop!
Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's do this again.
Hello guys, it's me, Melon.
And today, I am going to... Oh my god, not again!
Who are you this time?
I am Chicken Man. Okay, Chicken Man, can you stop your ruining video?
I'm sorry, Melon, and I am going to do it.
Why?
Because I want to be with you.
No, Chicken Man, get out. Manny, get him out.
Wait, I want to be a chap.
Let's try this one more time. Hello, it's Melon here, and I'm finally going to do it. Dang, I forgot what I was going to do. Oh yeah, I'm going to subscribe to Miney Man, like you should do right now. And something else, I forgot this video was all about. I don't know how to speak English. Now, goodbye guys. See you in the next video, I think. Ah! What happened? Okay. You might as well subscribe to the channel. This episode is called Melon Meets Melon Universe. I am going to call it Melon Meets Melon Universe. It sounds weird. Okay. Goodbye. Subscribe to Miney Man. Subscribe to Miney Man. And recommended YouTuber to subscribe to Pro Gamer Yasin. Wait, something else. Don't leave off the video. The next video I'm planning to do is the attack of giant melon. Attack of giant melon. I'm just telling you, it's not episode 5. Okay? That's all the news I have to announce. Wait. Okay, and that's all. I am back. I am completely back. We are done with the video. No, we are not. We are just, I got the idea for the video. Let me think. You said you had the idea. Never mind, end the video. Oh my god. Goodbye, everyone. I am scared. What did I just do? Stupid. We are not finishing the video. This is tomato. Hello. Stupid. We don't need you, tomato. Oh wait, I killed him. This episode is killing tomato. I'm just kidding. What am I doing here? Okay, goodbye for actual yes.